What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Letitia, and on this channel we do a lot of home decor, DIYs, as well as lifestyle. Today's video is going to be about how I accomplish my warm, cozy winter bedding. So if that is something you guys are interested in, definitely stay tuned. Also, if you have not subscribed this yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Like, comment, as well as share, because it definitely gets my videos into the algorithm and it helps my channel out, and I would definitely appreciate that. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my nice, warm, cozy bedding for the winter, definitely stay tuned. The first step to creating a nice, cozy, warm bed is to start off with very high quality sheets. I would recommend 800 plus. My sheets are 1100 thread counts, but 500, 800, whatever is in your budget, work with, but I would just recommend very high quality sheeting. I'm going to start off with putting my fitted sheet on. You can also add your flat sheet. I do not have flat sheets, unfortunately, but add your flat sheets right on top of your fitted sheet, and then you want to go in with a nice cozy blanket. What the blanket does is it helps keeps the bed warm. You can also go ahead and add a heated blanket if you have one. That's also optional, but I do not prefer a heated blanket because we have heaters inside the house. So if we need extra warmth, we just go ahead and turn those on. But if you do get a heated blanket, make sure that you get one that has the option for both persons to adjust the temperature, because you may like it a little warmer than your partner, or your partner would like it a little warmer than you. So make sure you give the option to your partner. Next, you want to go ahead and add your quilt. I am placing my quilt and my blanket with the right side downward so that when I fold the edges over, the pattern that I want to show shows. I'm also adding my quilt a little higher up than I did my blanket because I want a layered look. If you don't want a layered look, just place them both even together and you can just fold them down with the blanket showing or the quilt showing, however you prefer. I do sometimes like to tuck my blanket and my quilt under my mattress, and I'm also going to take the end and fold it and give it that hospital fold. That's the only thing I can think of. That's what I hear persons call it. Give it that hospital fold so it's nice and tightly tucked under the mattress. And now for some extra warmth, you can go ahead and add your comforter on your bed. I'm using a duvet, and I'm just going to place this flat on the bed because I do want to fold it down to the end just to have it at our feet. So if you do need that extra warmth, you can just go ahead and pull it over you. And then last but not least, you can go ahead and add those decorative pillows, your sleeping pillows, and all those other things just to make the bed look nice and cute. I also did end up adding a throw at the end of my bed, but that is also optional. That's for when I'm sitting in the bed and I don't want to root up or mess up my bed and I want it to stay looking cute, but I also want to be nice and warm and cozy. I like to have a throw at the foot of my bed so I can just cover up with that so the bed stays looking nice until it's time to go to sleep. So that is it for this video. I hope this was very helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share. And if you have not subscribed this yet, go ahead and subscribe, guys. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Tschüss.
Kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken